me, Dave. Thank you for stopping by the channel today and taking time out of your day to spend some time with me. We are on the Carnival Firenze, and today we're going to be looking at the different outside pool, hot tub areas on the ship. We're going to start with the Serenity today, and then we're going to go to the Lido pool area, Lido deck, Lido pool, and then we're going to check out the back pool area. So let's get started. All right, so here we are. We are on deck 15 forward on the Firenze. We are in the Serenity deck, and today is a port day, so it's going to be nice and quiet, which is the best time to come. So again, here's a map. Each deck has these really cool maps for the elevators, and it reminds you sort of you're on forward, and you're on deck 15, and it gives you also the different everything you need to know on the different floors. All right. So let's go check this out. This is, again, today we are in Cabo. So let's go see what's happening out here. There's beautiful Cabo San Lucas, Mexico. We are on a 5-day, actually we're on 3 5 days. We're back to back to back. This is day 4 of the 5. So there's some tubs over here. I won't get too close to the people in them, but there's tubs over here. All the seating area. Tons of seating area up here. There are 2 soaking tubs up here on this deck, on this one. This is definitely one of the biggest Serenity decks that I've personally seen so far. This is also our first time on the Firenze and on the Italian fun ships. So all these seating areas. And back here is like a little, looks like a little patio to go along with the Fresh Creations, which they create. They have salad bars during the afternoon. And here is the bar area. And again, this cute little patio area. And again, today is so quiet because it's a port day in Cabo San Lucas. Back here is the second hot tub. No pool though. There are some Serenities that do have pools. I can't think of which ones there are now, but I've definitely been on a couple of Serenities with pools. Here's some bathrooms, shower, more seating space, more. There's so much seating space. It's great. Serenity is just my best, my go-to spot. Here's a towel. So a towel hut is right outside of this. Oh, hi. We love all the wonderful crew members and Carnival has. So here's the towel area. Some garbage and recycle. Please use those when you can. These folks work so hard as it is already. If you could help them out by putting things in there. This is cute. Oh my. This is really, really cute. Little cabana, I suppose. More loungers over here. Here's a gorgeous view of the water park. And let's really review. Let's review this. Let's not reserve. In consideration of all guests on board, please do not reserve sun loungers. Towels will be removed for 40 minutes and kept at the towel hut. This is such an important thing. No one likes that person that has to hog the chair and is not there. Ugh. That drives me nuts. Just have some common courtesy. And in the background, I'm sorry, you're hearing the cruise director. And back here, it looks like the water park. So this is a pretty nice water park. There we go. All right, and that is the Serenity area on the Carnival Firenze on deck 15 forward. All right, let's go check out the Lido pool area now. All right, I'll see you in a little bit. All right, everyone, I've made it up to deck 10, the Lido. We're at deck 10 forward. So let's go check out the Lido pool. It's a little unique compared to other Lido pools. Some people like it, some people don't like it. This is our first time out here on this ship, so I mean, it's I don't know, it's small. The sail away party seemed like it may have been a little bit of a challenge, but here is the towel hut. And again, since it's a port day today, they have all of these really fun towel animals out here today. Towel animals on the stage. So cool. So, all right, let's look around. Let's look around. We've got Java Blue Cafe out here. This is a pretty cool, this is a really big Java Blue Cafe. It's huge. Seating back here. They have pastries for breakfast. I think over here is gelato, I think. I'll let you guys know later on. But I'm pretty sure I saw that it was gelato. And here's the pastries. It's your basic, it's the basic menu. I think everything looks the same to me menu-wise. It's just the seating is really, really big. All right, let's go see what's next door. So here's the pool area. And again, this is what people are weird about because it is kind of a small pool for a Lido pool, I think. So comment below what you think of this pool area. Are you a fan of the pool area? Is it too small for you? A cute little water feature. And then over here, we have Il Mercato, which is the deli, basically, on the other ships. And here's the burgers. Everyone's favorite Guy's Burger. Everyone is in love with Guy's Burger. This ship has some different stuff, though. This ship, since it's the Italian ship, it has this pizza burger, which I'm going to try that, actually. But everything else is your normal stuff. But yeah, here's that pepperoni burger. Here is the wonderful crew. So much wonderful crew. Here's the toppings bar. All right, that's the buffet. We're not going to go back there quite yet, but that's the Lido buffet, the marketplace. So we'll do that a different day. But if we go back over here, staircase, tiny pool, elevators, which please watch my elevator video if you have not yet, because the elevator video is very, very helpful. Because the elevators here are a little different than normal. Here is Talmador, which is equivalent to the burrito taco. I can't think of the name of it. On every other ship, it's the Blue Iguana. Yes, the Blue Iguana. This is the same as Blue Iguana. In the morning, they have breakfast. All the breakfast. And then over here, with more breakfast, burritos over here. So normally it's burritos on one side, tacos on the other side. But this morning is breakfast time because there's a port, and it's also a port day. We are in Cabo. More toppings. And then back on the pool. So here we are. All right, so this is the Lido pool. I think it's cute. I don't think it's that big of a deal, but I mean, I could see where people would think it's strange. It is a small deck. Back here is a bar. All your fun, fluffy drinks back here. Ooh, look at all those yummy, fluffy drinks. This is Rocco's. These prices are not that too bad, $13.25. It's like all the different beers. Let's zoom in on the beers. Okay. Very good, very good. Morning! And I would think this would be equivalent to the rum like the rum frog bar, possibly the red frog bar. Um, so Il Mercato actually is upstairs. Um, we'll also cover that on another video. The thing I didn't like about the Il Mercato, the basically the deli, is they didn't have French fries, and you also can't customize your sandwiches. Which I get it. It's the space, and I'll show you on another video. The space is small, so they only have like a little condiment stand for them, for the staff to like put lettuce and all your sauces on it. Like on most of the ships, the Carnival ships, the deli they make the sandwiches almost, I would say, like a Subway style, where everything is laid out. So you can you can customize them, to a point. But here it's no customization, no French fries, but they have potato chips, which I thought was kind of cool too. Because I love like a Lay's potato chips, and that's what they had. So I was like, that's pretty cool. Okay, so let's go look at the last pool. It'll be up on the top deck in the back. So let's go check it out. I'll see you guys in a few minutes. All right, so we're on the Lido deck. We came through the Lido Marketplace to head to the next pool back here on the Versilia Sunshine deck. And this is the back pool. So it's on the 10th, on deck 10. And you come through the Lido Marketplace. And then back here, there is also pizza. Everyone loves pizza. I think the hours have changed. It used to be the 24 hours, but now I think now it's 10 to 4, 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. But you have to check in your Hub app because I'm not sure 100%. 4 a.m. is way past my bedtime, but I do again think it's 10 a.m. to 4 a.m. But Hub app will give you all that information. Get the Hub app the moment you get on the ship. I actually get it before. Here's a bar out here. And then here is the outside pool area. This is a really nice sized pool. And not too bad. This is pretty neat. A bench over here. And the hot tub, shower. Here is the pool. The towel stand. Back here looks like this breakfast, a drink station for breakfast. I came to show you the tour of the Lido Marketplace. They have a crushed ice machine. You hear that, folks? A crushed ice machine. I'm like living for that. All right, and then back here, more seating area. If you want to eat outside, but still stay under the cover. All right. There we go. All right, so that was the 3 sort of outdoor pool, hot tub areas. We started in the Serenity, and then we came down to the Lido main pool, and then now we just finished up here in the back pool off of the Lido Marketplace. So that's it. There's a lot of cool spaces on here for outdoor seating, outdoor water, like pool time, hot tub time. And again, I always sort of recommend if you want like some peaceful time and you don't want to go off the ship, port days that's a great time to come out and get a seat. At this point, people haven't done the whole like leave my towel and try and save a seat and leave a towel on there all day long kind of BS. So definitely port days are a great time to come out and get some sun, some relaxation with no crowds. So that's it for today. Leave comments below on what's your favorite pool area on any Carnival ship, or actually any ship. Are you a fan of the main pools? Do you like to sit in the Serenity and avoid the crowds? Comment below. Also do a thumbs up, hit the bell, all that kind of stuff. Subscribe, tell your friends, all that good stuff. And again, we're here for back to back to back. So there's going to be all kinds of great content coming up. When you hit the bell, you won't miss things. I'll see you later.